Dear students, today we are going to start forfeiture of shares. First, discuss what do you mean by forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture of shares means if any shareholders fail to pay the amount of allotment money or first call or final call within the specified period, the directors may cancel his or her share is known as forfeiture of shares. In simple words, forfeiture of shares means to cancel the allotment or calls, first call or final calls to defaulting shareholders. That is known as forfeiture of shares. Now, what is the procedure of forfeiture of shares? The usual procedure is that the defaulting shareholders must be given a minimum 14 days notice. 14 days notice requiring him to pay the unpaid amount on his or her share together within the accrued interest thereon. If the shareholders does not pay the unpaid amount means in the due of allotment, first call or final call, the board of directors can forfeit the shares by passing a resolution and giving a notice to the shareholders of that resolution to the defaulting shareholders. Okay, this is the procedure of forfeiture of shares. After the forfeiture of shares, the name of the shareholders is removed from the register of members. The amount already paid him or her belongs to the company and is not returned to him or her. Okay, the following entries are passed in two alternative circumstances. The following entries are passed in two alternative circumstances. First circumstance is forfeiture of shares are issued at par. Forfeiture of shares issued at par, and number two, forfeiture of shares issued at premium. Now, what are the journal entries passed in the case of forfeiture of shares issued at par? The journal entry: share capital account debit to share allotment. Share capital account debit to share allotment, to share first call or to share final call, combined to share calls account, and the balance to share forfeiture account. In the case of forfeiture of shares issued at par, these journal entries are passed. First journal entry: share capital account debit to share allotment, to share calls, to share forfeiture account. Second case, the forfeiture of shares issued at premium. It should be divided into again two. If premium has not been received. Another case, if premium has been received. If premium has not been received, the following journal entries: share capital account debit, security premium reserve account debit, to share allotment, to share calls account, to share forfeiture account. Okay. Next part, if amount has been received, that means when company issue of shares, the premium already received. In the case of application money, either allotment money, that rest of the call, some of the shareholders are not paid their money. That is the means if premium has already received, the following journal entries are passed: share capital account debit to share allotment, to share calls, that is first call or final call, to share forfeiture account. Okay. Now, this is the theory portions of forfeiture of shares issued at par and issued at premium. Okay, now one example how to prepare their journal entry in the case of forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture of shares. Now write the one questions. See the books, your reference books, that is the page number page number 7.39 or 40 also. Okay, now X Limited issued one question. X Limited forfeited 200 shares of Robi of rupees 10 each. Rupees 8 called up, on which he had paid application and an allotment money of rupees 3 per share. 3 per share. Out of this, out of these 100 share were reissued as fully paid up for rupees 8 per share. Okay. Now that means X Limited forfeited 200 shares of Robi of rupees 100 each of rupees 10 called up, on which he had paid application and allotment money of rupees 3 per share. Out of these shares, 100 shares were reissued another persons of rupees 8 fully paid up. Now first the journal entries only for, in this case, only for forfeiture of shares. Now what is the journal entry? That is the 200 share face value rupees 10. Now solution. What is the journal entry? Share capital account debit. Share capital account debit. To not paid which amount? 2 calls in area or 2 calls. To calls in area, 2 share forfeiture. To share forfeiture account. What is the value? 200 shares up to called up rupees 8. That is equal to 200 into 8. Value 200 into 8. That is equal to 1600. And only the calls in area payment of rupees 8 out of 3 is the payment, only they are due 5. The calls in area 200 into 5, that is equal to 1000. The balancing figure difference 600. Okay, that the being forfeited of shares being forfeited of 200 shares of Robi as per board resolution dated. Okay, thank you.